Now, if it starts breaking below this candle and it looks like it's going to close below this candle, then I start to get nervous that we may start to see a trend change. Least profitable day. Why did that just pop to 4,000? What just happened? Do you see that? Today's P&L down 2,000. What just happened? All right, so we're looking at my dashboard with my 150K evaluation, my combine with Topstep. So one thing that's new up here is Topstep brokerage is coming. I don't think I'll be signing up with Topstep brokerage. Looks like I wonder if you'll have to trade with Topstep X, which for me is still too buggy for me to want to be with a broker. And plus they're going to be brand new. So it's got to be hard for a company to start a new brokerage with a platform that's still got some stuff to work out. Once Topstep X is worked out and it's a solid platform, I think it's going to be awesome. And then once Topstep is a solid broker and everything is like been working great for a long time, I think it could be huge. I think it could give NinjaTrader a big run for its money. Not fully. NinjaTrader still has a lot of features that are, that Topstep X doesn't have, like one that you can create your own coding for it pretty easily at home. So you can make your own stuff if you want to. It's automated trading systems that it allows you to do. There's a lot of stuff in NinjaTrader that I think is still much better than Topstep X. But still, I think it could give it a good run for its money once they get all the bugs worked out. But we'll have to wait and see how this all plays out. Is it going to be a discount broker, full service broker? A lot of stuff I have not seen yet. But anyway, something new to the prop firm space is Topstep's going to have their own brokerage. And will they keep that money separate, or will they use the money you put in there to help pay out their payouts? Like, what happens with all that? Like, a lot of questions to be answered. But anyway, this account's so close to passing. I'm only about $1,500 away from passing. One more good night, and this thing will be passed, and then on to taking some money. And then I'll get my casino accounts running back up again so I can play with some other new concepts because that's fun. All right, buddy, let's see what happens in tonight's trades. All right, so here, daytime with NQ. Daytime with NQ, getting ready to get in long. Slowly working its way back up here today. Just now in the 30-minute candle, breaking above these two reds. Still got plenty of room to retrace this one. And a nice little uptrend here with NQ. This is a good trade. It'll be a winning. I'll pass my evaluation. One thing is the market's so huge today. Like just like a 100-point move that I'm getting ready to jump into risk-wise.
Order filled.
So it's pretty big risk from a move perspective. So if I didn't pay attention today to like what the volatility is and how much the move is, I might buy too many contracts and instantly blow out my account. So I don't quite need to get to the target, and I'll pass my evaluation. So trade is in, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so looking at the 30-minute candle over here, you can see that new 30-minute candle open, this red one, this green one. It retraced half, almost all of it actually. It's a spot where I'd be tempted to add to my position, but I don't want the increased risk. But it's also a spot where it goes down. I don't get nervous about it because I see what it's doing. It's retracing this 30-minute candle before it. No reason to get nervous about that. If anything, it's an opportunity to add. Now, if it starts breaking below this candle and it looks like it's going to close below this candle, then I start to get nervous that we may start to see a trend change. But right now, I'm not nervous at all. But at the same time, we're seeing this red candle may close, but not below the green candle, right? It might close red, but it won't be below this green candle. So great sign. We got a minute left. Then the next green candle, I would expect the next one to be a green candle, kind of like what we've been seeing here so far, right? Green, red, green, red, green, red. Looking for a green, green showing up in the sequence. The downside is I have to head out, so I'm going to have to bring the conclusion to you. We'll see what this ends up doing. And then, yep, I'll show you when I get back. All right, so just got back home and here we are. So past the 150K evaluation. So this account should be funded probably right now if I switch it over and turn it on, but I won't. I'll get it going for tonight's trades and tomorrow. But 150K passed and funded. Let's go look at the stats. So 9,000 is what I needed to make. Scrolling down, just so if you're interested in the stats. Average winning trade 509, average losing 480. So good to have average winning better than average losing. Most profitable day. Least profitable day. Why'd that just pop to 4,000? What just happened? Do you see that? Today's P&L down 2,000. Well, I was showing you the stats and the account has disappeared. So now you're looking at an old account. Well, I was trying to show you the stats, but I guess with Topstep X, once you pass your evaluation, if you don't catch them quickly, when the market closes, it's gone and you don't have them because this is an old account. It defaulted to my casino account. All right, everybody. Well, it is what it is. Let's look at the dashboard and see what showed up. Ineligible casino account. This one's still showing open. I don't know. I was going to show you the stats, but now I'm not. Topstep X doesn't let me see them anymore. All right, so one thing with Topstep that's kind of new, depending on how long if you've been trading with them before and are coming back to them, is once you've passed your evaluation, it won't show up here. You see my casino account is still there waiting for its reset. I'm not going to reset it. Just when it gets to that time, it'll reset and I'll be good to go. Casino trade away. But the account I just passed, if I go into accounts, then I can look all the evaluations passed. I can go in here, no activation fee, evaluation pass, click on it. And then it says activate express funded account. And then from there, I can go ahead and activate it. Here's some stats. No, maybe not. Just wondering what's going to show here, just the trades. All right, so activate express funded account. Then once you agree to everything, it comes back to this page. You can see all your past evaluations and whatnot. And then you can see that it says express funded. That's the stage that it's in now. So it's ready to go. And then if I go back to dashboard, now I see express right here open. And now I'm in my express funded account. So account's waiting to trade. Hopefully we'll be able to trade it tonight and tomorrow. Go into the weekend with a nice green start, which is not how it works for me. All my accounts start off red. So if this starts off green, it'll be very strange. So, but we'll see what happens. All right, everybody. See you on the next trade.